anim yan, you get the whole house.
Eh,
Unlike before, there are less blocks. Ngayon, I think blocks are a very important part of democratic democratic representation.
Hindi ba mas problematic yan? Dami
Hindi,
blocks.
kasi mas organized nga. So may kausap ka sa block. Okay ba to sa inyo? O, 80 kagad yan. Okay.
Block voting.
Kung kausap, no. It's the ability, you develop relationship kasi within those blocks.
Okay.
Also, yung kay Speaker's Block, probably now there are about 70. Or probably kay LAV, they probably have 50. So, 50 plus 80, 130 plus 70 kay Speaker, you have 200 already. So, you have majority. That's why, for the first time, I think I've seen there the emergence of Black as a positive force in ensuring faster legislation.
Last
Ang importante lang, yung leader, miscongeniality.